need to get gas. But guys, listen, welcome to Midnight Confidential. We're here. We're going on a midnight mission all the way to Miami because basically what ended up happening was we left both of the whips. We left the Porsche and the Mercedes in Miami. So basically we're gonna go all the way back, right? All the way.
24 hours straight shot, non-stop.
24 hours straight shot. We're about to Aikido Ninja. And look at the whip. This is the whip.
Got the whip, the Volvo XC60, I believe. I could be wrong about that.
21 hours straight shot.
4 hours of sleep right now. Sean's on 2. Dominic's probably on like 4, probably 2. So we're gonna swap out one shot, make a couple stops on the way, but let's get it.
Yeah. All right, what do we got?
Yeah, so this is what I'm thinking the game plan. Florida just got wrecked with a hurricane on the west coast of Florida. So what we're gonna do is drive right through the state, all the way to the east coast, and then drive down to Hialeah/Miami. So this is what we're looking at. We're adding about an hour, maybe like 40-50 minutes to the drive. But hey, I think that's gonna be good scenes, good vibes. So that's the game plan. And if we see anything that we're interested in stopping at, we're gonna stop. Let's do this.
Let's go.
What are they at?
Cliff bars would be a good investment. We need to get black coffee. What else?
Hey, do you think I don't think you eat that bag, bro.
Protect your windshield. That's how you do it.
Alright, that was a little what you know whenever you go to sleep, you wake up, Aikido, coffee.
Spartan coffee, essential water.
African sugar. Sip.
What is it?
Cinnabon fucking cinnamon roll, pop it upper decky.
Dude, what the fuck?
Sip.
Doesn't it get a gimbal for our iPhones?
What do we got? What is this, bro?
Where the button set?
That's the AI, bro. What is it?
What we came here to do.
Found out where the gas is, and we're gonna go that way because we just met a lady and she's basically explained that there's swipers on all these cards readers.
Scammers at this gas station, bro.
What we're gonna do is obviously we're pulling up to Miami right now. Push up, clean up, get some, some food. And
Now y'all want to get food.
If you know the art of Aikido, that means we need to get fucking food. We need a goddamn burrito. Let's get out of here.
So maybe I should have napped longer. On my adrenaline left after we got these cars. Finally starting to feel it, maybe little red eyes. I don't get tired.
Like a ghost when I ride, still on it, they hope I retire. No boast, this ain't a facade. I'm going against all the odds. A go, no way I can hide. Orange County, I'm at the montage. The Lambo, the Benz, or the Dodge. Ferrari, add to the collage. Young player, I wanna go Gator. They probably be feeling me later. I promise ain't asking for favors. I work and put work on the daily. I spent 50 racks on the trainer. My payroll ain't missing the payment. We starting to spend cash for payments. They make this last for ages. I hit the four wall, the cages. They told me desire the patience.
Let me tell you something. This Huracan is deliberately fully spec'd. Because I had it, it doesn't work right now, so I had to bring it here. Muro Shop. Check out Muro Shop. This is the place to be.
We had to drive down to Mexico for the shop.
Yeah, basically, we had to bring it here because we basically blew the transmission. It's getting fixed here. So in the meantime, we got this Macan. So check out this Macan. $200 a day on the Macan. Who's got those prices? Nobody's got those prices. So basically, we're leaving the Lambo, my good friend, and we're taking the Macan. So in the meantime, we have to come drop off, this Lambo, and now we're gonna go back to the office because, we gotta go get shit done over there. I actually have someone coming to pick up the C300 around 2.
We got the Aston coming in today too.
And we do need to actually install the brake pads on the Aston. All right, peace.
Look at these motherfuckers eating donuts. Little fatty little piglets. Little fatty piglets eating donuts on the car. They couldn't help themselves. Poisoning their own bodies. That is what you call weasel.
don't even know where the fuck we're at. Quality Inn. By what? Do not put diesel in there.
But it doesn't say diesel.
Fuck. Limit light. No, it's any diesel. Why is it? That's the elite. That's the time. That's the.
And that is black and green.
Bro, it's. Fuck.
Is there a diesel option? No.
Yeah, there's diesel option here. They better not put diesel in my Porsche. I'm gonna be fucking heated. Talking about these pajamas. Oh my god, nigga. Gay! I'm about to let like 5 shots ring out right now. I'm just playing. Alright guys, we are back. We're over here. I don't even know where we're at. Where are we at, Jace?
Fucking Akasha, whatever the fuck.
I had to pull up in the Mercedes, leave the door open, Big G, don't give a fuck. Some Punjabis might pull up, try to steal it, but guess what? We're not gonna let them steal it. So we're gonna hit them with the Aikido Vortex. But yeah, guys. Basically transporting all the whips over here to Texas. And once we get them to Texas, you already know what time it is, baby. You already know what time it is. We're gonna start renting the whips out. You guys hit us up, Midnight Auto Exotics. Follow us on Instagram, and we're gonna basically hook you guys up with the cleanest whips. You don't see that shit in Texas. You really don't. And you don't see the Hujabis pointing out the window because they're definitely confused with what the fuck this is, and they definitely think that we're leaving a bad review. Porsche C300. I'm about to fill up on gas. That is crazy.
How the fuck is that holding your weight?
Hero. Yo, what are we up to? Just stole the Porsche back from the hood. We're in the boondocks, bro, like in the bayou.
She still got her pills. I took her to sales. I cut like a flare. Had a Cuban, I don't wanna lean.